Windows 11 is testing a brand new AI-powered auto-categorization feature in the Photos app, and this could completely change your PC. Let's explore everything about this upgrade. Windows 11's Photos app is stepping into the future with a brand new AI feature called auto-categorization. And if you're someone who takes tons of photos and stores them on your PC, you know the struggle of keeping everything organized. But Microsoft has heard that frustration and is now testing a smart solution that could change how you manage your digital library forever. Because according to the latest Windows Insider's blog post, insiders across all channels can try out this new functionality that automatically sorts your photos using the power of artificial intelligence. Though there's one big catch. It's currently exclusive to Copilot Plus PCs, meaning only devices with Microsoft's latest AI-ready hardware can take advantage of this innovation right now. And the way it works is simple yet powerful, as auto-categorization can sort your images into what Microsoft calls meaningful categories, including receipts, identity documents, screenshots, and notes, which may not sound like much at first, but is an incredible starting point for users who struggle to dig through endless folders to find that one tax receipt, passport scan, or important note you save as an image. And perhaps the best part is that this system is designed to be language agnostic. So even if the text on your documents is in another language, the Photos app should still recognize and sort them properly, which makes it universally useful. But Microsoft also gives you control here, because if an image gets categorized incorrectly, you're not stuck with the AI's decision. You can manually correct a mistake and reassign the photo to the right category, which helps improve the overall accuracy and ensures you don't lose track of important files. Now, the limitation right now is that there are only 4 categories available, which means your vacation photos, family pictures, and creative shots won't yet be automatically sorted. And it's unclear whether Microsoft will expand these categories in the future or allow customization where you can create your own labels. But given the direction of AI in Windows, it feels almost inevitable that this feature will grow. And if it does, it could transform the Photos app from a simple viewer into a truly intelligent photo manager. This AI auto-categorization feature is available in Photos version 2025.11090.250 1.0 and later. And Microsoft has already started rolling it out gradually to all Windows Insider channels on Windows 11. Which means if you're part of the testing group and you own a Copilot Plus PC, you can already experience the difference. And think about potential here. No more wasting time scrolling endlessly through your screenshots folder to find that one image. No more mixing up receipts with personal notes. And no more headaches when trying to pull up identity documents quickly. Instead, the Photos app will do the heavy lifting for you, giving you instant access to the right category and letting you spend less time managing and more time doing. And while this rollout may seem small in scope, it's part of a much bigger strategy by Microsoft to integrate AI deeply into Windows 11, making everyday tasks easier and smarter. We've already seen Copilot evolve into a central part of the operating system, offering AI assistance across apps, settings, and workflows. And now that intelligence is being extended into Photos, one of the most widely used apps on Windows. And it's not hard to imagine future expansions where AI could categorize travel photos, food images, or even automatically detect events and people, creating albums for you without any effort. But as with any new technology, there are also questions and concerns. For instance, will auto-categorization always work reliably? How accurate will it be across different languages and document formats? And what about privacy? Since AI is scanning and sorting your photos, users may worry about where that data is processed. But for now, Microsoft assures that the feature is running locally on Copilot Plus hardware, taking advantage of the new neural processing units designed to handle AI tasks on device, which means your photos stay private while still benefiting from machine learning. And that's an important distinction in today's world where cloud processing often raises privacy flags. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that this feature is still in testing, so bugs and limitations are expected. Insiders may find cases where categories aren't perfect, or where certain documents slip through the cracks. And of course, with only 4 categories available, it feels more like a proof of concept than a complete solution. But remember that many of Microsoft's most successful features started small and then grew over time with user feedback. So the fact that they're rolling this out to all Insider channels means they're actively seeking input from users like you to refine and expand the system and looking at the bigger picture. This aligns perfectly with Microsoft's push toward AI-powered productivity, where Windows 11 isn't just an operating system, but an intelligent assistant that helps you organize, manage, and complete tasks faster. And with the arrival of Copilot Plus PCs, we're seeing how hardware and software are being tightly integrated to unlock these new possibilities. So while auto-categorization may sound like a small update, it actually represents a larger shift toward AI-driven user experiences on Windows, one that could eventually make your PC feel less like a tool and more like a partner that understands your needs. And for those wondering if this feature will eventually come to non-Copilot devices, the answer remains unclear. But given Microsoft's focus on AI hardware acceleration, it seems likely that many of these advanced features will stay exclusive to Copilot Plus PCs, at least in the near future, which could be a way for Microsoft to push adoption of its new AI-ready ecosystem. And this creates an interesting dynamic where software updates are increasingly tied to the capabilities of your hardware, blurring the line between device and operating system upgrades. But regardless, this AI auto-categorization is an exciting step forward that can make photo organization effortless, intuitive, and actually enjoyable. So whether you're someone who constantly saves receipts for business, collects screenshots for projects, or just wants a cleaner way to manage notes and documents, this update is worth paying attention to because it may soon become a core feature of Windows 11. And as Microsoft continues to refine it, expand categories, and integrate more AI smarts, the Photos app could evolve into one of the most powerful organization tools on your PC, proving once again that AI is not just about flashy chatbots, but also about solving real, everyday problems. So if you're an insider with a Copilot Plus PC, go ahead and try out the new version of the Photos app and see how much smoother your workflow becomes. And if you're not yet eligible, stay tuned because this feature, like many others, will likely expand in scope over time. And that's everything you need to know about Windows 11's AI-powered photo auto-categorization. A small step, but one with huge implications for the future of personal computing. And we'll continue tracking all of Microsoft's AI updates, features, and leaks here. So make sure to subscribe and follow for the latest in tech. And always watch TechVerse.